is data transformation. To transform data, you perform a mathematical operation on each observation, then use these transformed numbers in your statistical test. So, how to suppose you want to calculate the median, you want to calculate the mean value. So, how to calculate all of these? Suppose you have the 5 items or 6 items in the ways, 5 or 6 items in welfare, 5 or 6 items in job satisfaction, or customer satisfaction, customer trust, customer loyalty, or self-efficacy. Maybe you have different items for measuring that variable. So you want the mean value all of these items to represent that variable. For when you will go for to observe the relationship between IVs and dependent variable, IVs and other variables. In that case, you need the mean value of the variable. Individual items you cannot do, so you have to create the mean value. How to create the mean value of the items and how to transform the data, that we will learn from here. So everybody please. Okay. Are you watching my screen? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please open the second file, a data set for data transformation. Yes, brother Frank. Yes,
All right,
brother
so
Frank.
I have one question.
Okay,
Please,
please.
are we going to talk about the string variable?
Which variable?
Yes, because I want to know if we have a string variable, if we
Which
enter
which 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 variable, brother? I don't understand.
a variable of type
Type.
string,
Okay. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
are we going to talk about that type of variable?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Doctor, please, can we have 15-minute break? It is prayer time here in Malaysia. I want to go on prayer and come back and join.
Okay, I cannot
Please.
because brother, I cannot give you particularly for you, because different parts of the world they have joined. You can take time, you can perform salat and come back again, because
Okay.
yes, and you will get the recording, brother. So you will not have any issue. Okay. Okay.
I also did the same from Nigeria. We just finished praying in Nigeria.
Okay. Just you manage your time by yourself. Don't ask me, because different parts of the world they join, so it would be difficult to maintain to give break for everyone. Okay. So yes, brother
Thank you, Doctor. The
Frank,
recording
I
will
don't
be of help.
understand. I don't understand your question, brother.
So, sir, I was talking about
Yes, yes, please, brother, please.
so, sir, are you getting me, sir?
Okay, please, please.
Okay, I was talking about the variable of type string. Are we going to say it?
Okay, string type, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Anybody can give answer to brother Frank? He is asking about the data type, about the string. String, I think, if you are using any data within the inverted comma, right?
Excuse sir.
Is it the
Sir,
The,
symbol?
the
Yes,
string
one.
data. The
sir,
string
string
data is
data.
for.
Yes,
Uh,
one, please. Yes, yes, please, sir. Yes, please. Doctor
okay.
Humaira, I think. Yes, doctor. Answer the brother Frank.
Yes, sir, doctor.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
This
Hello,
the
sir.
string the string data
yeah.
is for wordings. If you are writing in words, like for instance,
Yes,
good, instead of giving it a number and you want to write it in words,
that's string. Yeah.
GOOD.
Ex-
So that's
uh,
going to be string.
Sir, I want to add something about string data. That string data is particularly used for when we put characters, letters, or other than things like numerical data. So we can put it in a string data. Characters, letters. For letters and character, we particularly use string data.
Okay, brother Frank, got it? Brother Frank,
Yes.
is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So another added thing is that if you have give value to the string, maybe a particular word, you have give value, maybe 1, 2, 3, you change it to numeric. Thank you.
Okay. Is it okay, brother Frank?
It is okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we have opened the second file, right? A data set for data transformation. Everybody opened it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is your data in wage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 items, and welfare has 6 items, and fringe has 7 items, and satisfaction has 6 items, and performance has 6 items. So we will calculate the mean value of all these variables. So suppose how can we get the mean value for the ways? We have the values for the ways. So everybody please go to the transform, okay, and compute variable. Click on compute variable. Here, right here, the variable name is wage. Target variable is wage. Okay. Now here what will you do? If you go here, statistical, here if you go to the function group, one brother from Pakistan is calling again and again. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Hello. Hello.
So can you start from the beginning this file? I
Okay.
just missed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sister,
Thank you.
just open the second file, data set for data transformation. When you have given the input,
Yes, sir.
all
I
of your
open.
data. Okay.
Yeah, I open. Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. Okay. So this is the data file that you have opened, right, sister?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now please go to the transform and click on compute variable. Go to the transfer and compute variable, then these windows come.
Yeah, I got. Yeah.
Okay, here, right here, wage, WAGE, wage.
Okay.
Okay, and here go to the function group. Here you will find here statistical. Just if you
Okay.
click on statistical, these kinds of functions you can do here in statistical. You can compute the variance, you can compute the sum, standard deviation, and minimum, median, mean value, maximum, that you can compute. But we need the mean value. Most of the time we need the mean value. So just if you click double click there, then you will find this. Okay, So what will we do? You will click there, and we have 5 items of the ways, right? We want the mean value of 6 items, mean value of these 6 items. So what will we do? If we double click here, just double click over the ways 1, it will go there, then comma, give the comma, then ways 2, double click on OS 2, then it will go automatically there, then comma, then OS 3, then comma, then OS 4, then comma, then OS 5, then comma, then OS 6. Everybody have done this?
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Then click on OK. Okay. After that it runs. Okay. If you go to the data view here, you will find the ways.
Sir,
yes.
It's not being okay. When I clicked OK, it's not
okay.
accepted.
Maybe
Okay.
you have given a space. Maybe
You have to remove the question mark.
Yes,
remove the question mark.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Remove the question mark and do not give any space. Okay, then it will run. So another variable ways has created, and all the observations mean value are given here. So in the variable view also we can find here the ways in the name of variable ways. It is the mean value. It is created, and data has been created. The mean value of ways, you see, the ways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are 5 here. All 6 are 6 items chosen. These respondents, the 5. So it is 5. Here all are chosen 4. The second one, it is showing 4. So this is how we calculate the mean value. So we can transform the mean value of the other variable like perform, welfare, like this. So again we can go to the transform and compute variable. We have another option for going to the same one. Here if we click here, the compute variable will come automatically. Otherwise we can go to the same transform, and we can go to the compute variable. Click on compute variable. We did here this one. We can keep it here. We can target variable. We can create the welfare variable. Target variable is welfare. Welfare, and here we can delete the wages. And similar way we can just double click wage 1 and then welfare 1, then comma, welfare 2, comma, welfare 3, comma, 4, comma, welfare 5, comma, and welfare 6.
Sir, I'm so sorry to interrupt again.
Please.
When I am clicking OK, I omit the question mark, but yet it's saying the sequence of operator.
Okay.
The sequence of operator sounds.
I am just stopping sharing.
Yeah.
Please share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Screen sharing. Multiple participants can share. Okay. You can share your screen now. One bad news. My laptop's power is going to finish. Maybe within 10-15 minutes it will finish. We have to wait until my power comes back. So suddenly if my laptop is stopped and I am out, so don't worry, you have to wait.
Please remove the comma after 6. After word 6, remove the comma after word 6.
Yes.
So you can see my screen?
Yes, remove the comma sign, the symbol after word 6.
Sister, remove the comma
okay.
after wage 6.
Yes, yes. Then it will run.
Oh, yeah.
You have not removed it. Uh-huh.
Yes. Okay. Then stop sharing, sister.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this is how. Please do by yourself another one, that is the performance. Please, by yourself. One more practice. Transform, compute variable. Do it by yourself. For MNC performance.
Dear sir, charge your battery, the laptop battery.
Yes, it is only 20 minutes we have. Okay. Because you know, no electricity now. I am using the IPS. It will not IPS generator is coming, but I don't have any connection for laptop. Just fan and one light it is giving, so I cannot charge. So here we can give the performance 1, performance 2, performance 3, performance 4, performance 5, performance 6. This is how we calculate the mean value of performance. Then okay. See the performance, mean value of performance, it comes. Okay, wage, welfare, yeah. Now what will we do? This is how we compute the variables mean value. Now the third one is, and if you follow the follow my slide that I given to you, if you follow that one, that is also very easy how to do it. I have given all the steps there. You can do it, no problem. For data transformation, the mean value. Now we shall do the descriptive statistics. Within the descriptive statistics, we have the frequency analysis and the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum. All this we can do over here. So how to do the frequency analysis. This is very important for demographic statistics or demographic analysis, and we can use the different pie chart, bar chart, and we need to create the frequency table that we need to put in our thesis. So what is the demographic profiles information? That is very important one. So how can we do the demographic statistics in the case of how we can do the frequency analysis? So everybody please go to the third file, that is dataset for frequency analysis. Okay. Okay, this one. I don't want to miss the recording until now.